Hey guys, welcome to my channel Just Games, and I'm playing Gangster Vegas. So it's my second video. Hope you guys join this. So in this video I'll steal a supercar and try to escape from the police. So supercar is a car. It is a very expensive and valuable car. So I will steal a supercar and I need it. So I have to. This supercar is a very rare. So we got it. You can see in the map a orange car icon, and this is the supercar. And when I wait. Okay guys, I will write this and police will arrest me. So yeah, 4 cases. Yeah, I have to escape from the police because it's a very dangerous. I know that I can't, but I have to. Oh, this car is very awesome, guys. Oops. Where is the police? Oh, the helicopter. Shit. They saw me, and I died. But this car is very cool. So guys, if you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe and share. So bye.